going along for the ride, but the other two are going to be doing the hard work. I think Phil's going to be the supervisor. Have to get some hay, and the guy didn't have anybody to help that we normally get the hay off of, so we're going to help to load it up. Michael has never done hay before, but the boy's got some strength, let me tell you. Making some progress here. Very proud of these two. But it makes it look like nothing throwing it up there. You'll feel it tomorrow though, I'm sure. Now we're into the next part of doing hay, where you have to walk and throw it on. The gentleman only has one wagon, so he's using a flatbed trailer. And Michael has learned that you need pants on, because it hurts your knees, doesn't it?
Not really.
Oh yeah.
Today I'm out here with my bees, and they are cantankerous. They have probably quadrupled since I got them, and I have the other boxes and they're working on them. So today we are going down into the queen box and see what we have going on. I've already taken the other boxes off, and I'm going to have to separate the screens. And don't mind my little duct tape jobby. Kim gave me a good idea earlier. Have Philip go ahead and sew it. I still need to get another one. So let's take a look. I've already been able to harvest about 1 jar of honey this season. I'd like to be able to get a little bit more than that, because it's so good and it's raw honey, and we don't treat the bees with anything. They haven't had any mites yet, knock on wood, so we've been doing really good so far. And they're not near as upset today as they have been. That's why I haven't been recording lately, because I have been getting lit up. It's a little cooler today, and it's a little cloudier. Seems like whenever it's really hot out and it's sunny, they really get mad when you start messing with them. I'm just separating the screens right now. This is one that they haven't been working on very long. Give them a little bit more smoke. See if they can go down in there. I like to get it from the, try to lift up on the end so that I don't hurt any of them. I'd like to see if I can see the queen today. Huh. There's one right inside there that's got his little butt sticking out. His head's in it. I just want to see where the queen is because I definitely don't want to risk hurting her. I didn't see very much larvae, if any, in this one, so she's not working on that one. See all of them. There's a lot more activity on this screen, that's for sure. Oh, I see one little larvae down in this hole. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yep, there's some larvae in this one. I'm venturing to guess that the queen is down in one of these two. I'm just gonna step away for a minute. They're going crazy. They're like right in my ear. And she's probably down there because they have like a little hole or like a little cave, I guess, that they're down in. Alright, so I'm just gonna move them closer together so that they don't have enough room to get too out of control. And then we'll go ahead and put everything back together again because they're really getting mad and everything is looking pretty good. That one wants to be stuck. Oh, one's in my hood. I'm gonna have to step away for a minute. One got in the hood and got my face. Hey guys, so I had to turn the camera off. That did not go well. I got stung there, I got stung there, I got stung all over my head. So I might have to end up going to the hospital. I took an allergy pill even though I'm not allergic. because I know it's going to swell up really bad. Anyways, but I'm trying to do some bee action for you guys, but I'm going to have to get a better suit for one thing. Or another thing is I might have to just rethink the whole bee thing, because it just may not be something that I'm very good at. But anyways, thanks y'all for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also see us on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe.